what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from Chinese anime Asy-Tac Fronteer KAINAR, and this is from the Auldey model kits which was released in 2022. So I have here the Contact KAINAR, which is the third protagonist Mecha model from the said anime, and this is the melee expert or the close combat model kit or mecha from that anime. And I already owned 4 KAINARs in my collection, and this is the lacking model kit that I found from Shopee Philippines, which came from a Chinese shop. And to be honest, this is very cheap. The box is big, but I bought it only for 1,200 pesos here in the Philippines. So this is very rare to find nowadays, but I'm thankful for the company or the shop that sold this to me. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Contact KAINAR from the anime Asy-Tac Fronteer will offer us here in this video. The box of this Contact KAINAR is big, and it is similar with the master grade boxes from Bandai. And the printout of Auldey for this character is similar with its predecessors, like the Precursor and the Heavy Metal KAINAR. And we can see here the Pola UNX3 Contact KAINAR, and this is released by Auldey in 2022. This is a 1/100 scale model, and in the chronological order for the series, it is the third protagonist kit. And this A-type advanced type 1/100 is similar with the master grade lines of Bandai. The appearance of this mecha model is really nice compared to its predecessors, where the color patterns are boring. The color scheme and plastic color separation of this kit is really superb, which is what I like from the kit itself. So let's check the side of the box. Here we can see the gimmicks, where we can see the knee bend here. There are tons of articulation compared with the predecessors of this model. We can see here the master grade, old style master grade hands with articulated fingers. There are a waist articulation here and ab crunches, which is not available with the previous predecessors of this kit. And the color patterns and the separation of the colored plastics are really nice. I really like how this appears compared to the two protagonist kit, the Heavy Metal and the Precursor. So this will be, or this will outmatch the two of them. And there we have this weapon here. It looks like an Exia blade or weapon. And there we can see some Chinese markings here, and this is from the Auldey company. The other side of the box, we can see the front view and the rear view of this kit. And as I noticed, the front view of the kit has a lighter shades due to the white plastic or white armor pieces, compared with its rear, which is darker due to the lack of white plastics or plastic or white armor plastic pieces. And there we can see some anime clippings here, or anime scenes where this contact KAINAR is fighting the enemies. And this is what the finished build will look like. So if we open the box here, we can see so the box is a little bit hard to open, and let's just find first the instruction manual. And this is the instruction manual of the contact KAINAR, where we can see the same picture from the box art. This is what I like from the manual here. There is this Chinese and English translation of what this model kit is all about, and compare with the Bandai master grades, where it only writes Japanese text without the English translation on the other side. This thing here from Auldey is very appealing. There we can see here that this model or this kit came from the group of this police of Luna Autonomous, or the POLA. I think this is their group. And there's this specification of what this kit is all about. Then there we have the parts list here, and judging by how much the runners here, this is not that much. This is an easy build, and I can recommend this to beginner level builders. And there we can see how this thing will be constructed. It's very straightforward, very easy to build. There are no parts that are so complicated. And then this is the finished build, where we can see here it looks like a knight or an ogre knight. Same with the Hulk, where he wears an armor in the Marvel movie. And there we can see the gun here, which is what I like the most. It looks like an Exia gun or Exia weapon, which can turn from a rifle into a melee weapon. Okay, so let's go to the packages here. We got this red armor pieces with some polycaps and one beam saber effect parts and stickers. We got this red parts again, red runners with black parts here. We got clear green pieces for the psychoframe like parts. We got this black parts for the armor pieces. We got this another black parts for the inner frames, I presume. Then this black parts again for the inner frames. This indigo colored parts, which I like the most, will be part of the armor pieces. I really like the color blend for this indigo and black parts here. It will be like a good contrast to each other. Then we got this another black parts for the leg pieces and armor pieces, and finally white parts for the armor pieces and the shield. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit, and let's start with the small pieces here. We have here runner L for this small black parts here for the head, and I think this one for, no, it's not for the head, but this for the shoulders and arm connections. And we got these red parts here for the blades and other trimmings for the kit. And this is your runner O. We got this small piece of red runner here for the runner end, and we got this single beam saber effect parts, which is in clear red. And I find this beam saber effect part similar with the Bandai models, and the plastic quality here is really boring. To be honest, it looks like a bootleg. And we got this small or a short peg for the attachment on the beam saber handle, and we got this indigo polycap parts. So it's not that much, it's very small. It's around 10 pieces, so it's 10 pieces to be exact. Then we got this clear green parts for the Psycho Frame parts or pieces, and this is your runner M. It's runner M, and for these white parts here, we got this runner J for the shield parts, and runner K again for the rifle and shield parts. So this for the accessories of the kit. Then let's go here with the indigo parts, and we got this runner I here for the hands and other joint parts. And again for the rifle parts, we got this runner H, and this is for the sole of the feet, and I think this one for the inner frame parts for the legs. And for this dark parts, where we can see this one's like a dark purple colored parts here, but in actual appearance this looks like black, but here in the camera it looks dark purple, similar with Master Gundam color. So this runner A here for the armor pieces on the legs, and this one for the shield parts, and we got this runner C, and this one for I think this one for the arms and waist skirt armor. This is runner B here. Then for the leg parts again, this is a runner D. Okay, and this one for the inner frame parts, we got this runner E, and a runner F. This one has a small parts here, so be careful when cutting this things out because you might lose them. And finally, we got runner G for these inner frame parts again. Then we got these stickers, a small amount of color correcting stickers, but I think I'll not use this stickers anymore because there are already good plastic separations. And especially for the eyes, I didn't use these stickers or the eye stickers in all my KAINAR kits. Anyway, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing review of this compact KAINAR from the Chinese anime Asy-Tac Fronteer KAINAR. And see you next time when I review this model kit. Goodbye, God bless, take care.